Hey guys! Welcome back. If it's our first time meeting, hey, it's Jeba. I make videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, and if that sounds good to you, I would love if you would consider subscribing. Today I'm unboxing my iPhone 12 Pro in the color gold, as well as the MagSafe charger and the silicone case in the color white. It's a really beautiful gold. The edges are just magnificent. It's like looking in a mirror. It's beautiful. The box has this gold detailing here to indicate it's the gold iPhone 12. Has iPhone written here in gold and has a gold apple. The box is really thin. This is the iPhone 8 Plus box and it's almost half the thickness. This color of white is not exactly white. It's kind of like a beige, taupey, off-white cream. It feels really nice, super soft. I wore out my other case literally to the end. Like, look at the end there. Hopefully this will be more durable because it doesn't have those raw edges. And another thing I'm really loving is that the case actually covers the bottom of the phone. This is the magnetic feature that the MagSafe attaches to, and there's also the wallets that are magnetic that you can attach to this. So to put the phone in, go in at an angle and then just pop it in. And it makes this fun animation that matches the case color. It has a little bit of a lip to it, and so if you place your phone flat down on the table, your screen will be protected. I also love that you can see just a little bit of gold that peeks through. It looks like they've upgraded the case packaging. Silicone cases used to come in these plastic packaging that you would just tear. The MagSafe charger that I got requires a 20-watt brick, and I didn't buy one. Luckily, I had one from my MacBook. You can simply just plug this in and then charge your phone. This is how the MagSafe works. You just have to line them up similarly. You'll feel the magnet pull, and then it makes a fun animation. The MagSafe is really strong. I'm just holding it by the charger and my phone is just dangling. I also wanted to show you something really cool. If you guys have the AirPods Pro, you can use MagSafe charger to charge them. Okay, so my iPhone 12 and my iPhone 8 Plus have paired and they look the same. All my data transferred really easily. It's basically a carbon copy of my phone, so that makes everything really easy for me. I got the 512GB iPhone 12 Pro, and that cost $18.09 Canadian. The MagSafe charger cost $55 Canadian, and the iPhone 12 silicone case with the MagSafe cost $69 Canadian. That is $10 more expensive than it used to be. I think it used to be $59. And just in terms of differences between the iPhone 8 Plus and the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 is squared off. The camera module is a huge difference. size is a big difference. This one is 5.8 by 2.8 inches, and this one is 6.2 by 3.1 inches. So this one is definitely bigger, and you can see it there. This one is a 5.5 inch screen, whereas this one is a 6.1 inch screen. As you can see, you really get a lot of more screen real estate with the iPhone 12. This one is also heavier. This phone feels lighter. This one is 202 grams, and this one is 189 grams. So a 13 gram difference there. The materials on these phones are also quite different. These both have glass fronts and glass backs, but this one has stainless steel on the edge, whereas this one has aluminum. This is also more dust and water resistant. So this one has 3 gigabytes of RAM, and this one has 6 gigabytes of RAM. And the cameras are also major upgrades. Side of the white compared to the pink stand, and here's a side by side of the white compared to stone here. Concludes this video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!